Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. These Heidi Swapp Storyline chapter inserts are an excellent addition to my Heidi Swapp Planner album. They are just such great quality. The paper has a linen-like look and it's just so thick. When I stamp on it, it doesn't show through on the other side. These are blank, so there are so many uses for them. I use one for a journal, another just for general notes, and another for habit tracking. They are securely stitched together in the middle, and the patterns on the front are just really so beautiful. These Heidi Swapp Storyline chapter inserts are just excellent quality, and I love having them so that I can customize my planner, my album, so that it meets my needs. And that's my point of view.